So in this video I'm going to be going over some dodge reads for the neutral dodge for Scythe. And neutral dodging is a very easy way to read. So the first one's going to be just your easy this, and then that. So there's a ton of them. You could do that, you could do that, if you're quick enough. And then I like to do this, though. It's very useful because it already sets your opponent like that going that way. And then you could also do this and one of those. Easy. So there's, like I said, there's a lot of them. You could do like one of those. It's a lot. And then, but my favorite one has to be, it's very complicated, but you have to do a jump chase dodge, and then you have to hit a downlight. It's a bit tricky, but once you get it, it's very useful. And I haven't gotten it all the way, but it is a neutral dodge read. There we go. And then you could jump and do that, or you could also just go behind him. You have to wait like a couple seconds. Like that. Just wait half a second and then go. You're going to want to make sure you chase dodge though. Because if you don't chase dodge, you dodge, which isn't what you want to do. And then that's neutral. And for side, I'll set him on side. There's that. That. And then you could also do that. It works for neutral and side. Actually, I don't know if it does. But you can always just do that. So there, that's the two like main ones, but yeah, I think you could chase dodge this way, like diagonally, and then that might, yeah, like that. So hit him that way on that, and then just catch him off guard. You have to hit it quick though. There you go. And that could lead into like many combos, which you could 0 to death off of and win the game. So there's just some tips on neutral and side, the two most common dodges. So yeah.